In this video, let's create an entitlement for an HR team in Microsoft Entra ID governance using entitlement management. In this example, we want to give the HR team access to a Microsoft 365 group called HR team, a SharePoint site for HR document, and a SaaS HR application called Workday. Let's see in action how it lets you bundle access and assign it easily and securely. To create an entitlement in Entra ID, navigate to Identity Governance and then to Entitlement Management, and you will see the screen as shown. Click on the Access Packages under Entitlement Management. Click on New Access Package. Name the access package and enter the description. Leave the default catalog at General. Click on Resource Roles tab now. This is where you can pull in different resources in the access package. Let's click on the groups and teams and add HR team here. Slide out appears on the right. Select the HR team. HR team group here is a Microsoft 365 group and not security group. HR team group added, but you have to select role as well. In this case, let's select member role for this access package. Now click on Applications. Select the Workday application. It is assumed that Workday is properly configured for SSO in this case. You can add additional HR application if needed here. Just ensure that those applications are registered in Entra ID Enterprise Applications and have SSO enabled. Select the role as well in this case for application. We have only one option available in the list. Just select MSIM Access. Now click on SharePoint Sites. Slide out appears on the right. Select the HR team related SharePoint site. Select the role for the SharePoint site. We see three options. Select HR team members. With this, we added all the resources that we wanted to see as part of the access packages. Now click on Request. As you see, there are many controls on this page that you can configure for the access package. Setting users who can request access is scope for users in your directory. Means only internal users can request access. Setting specific users and groups. I have selected the group HR team. Means only members of this group can see and request this access package. This makes the package exclusive to the HR team and help to control visibility and minimize risk. In approval settings, require approval. If enabled, means users can't auto-assign themselves. Someone must approve. Require requester justification. If enabled, means users must explain why they need the access. How many stages? Means here you can configure up to 3 sequential stages if needed. I selected just one. First approval selected as Ramesh Walk, and decision period is 14 days to approve or deny. Require approval justification if enabled. Approvers must also explain why they approved or denied the request. This makes the process transparent and provides an audit trail for security and compliance. In the email notification, which is in preview, disable assignment emails if enabled. Users will not be notified when access is granted or revoked. Enable new request. If enabled, access package is live and open to request. Allow managers to request on behalf of employees. If disabled, only the HR team member themselves can request access, not their managers. See, with all these controls, you are creating a control access package specifically for the HR team with a clearly defined approval workflow, accountability through justifications, and notifications to keep everyone informed. Now click on the Requester Information tab. On this page, you can ask additional information to the requester. In this example, I am requesting location and location supervisor for the HR team. These questions or additional information is up to you. Now click on Lifecycle tab. Lifecycle section controls how long users keep their access and whether access is regularly reviewed. Access package assignments expire setting will expire the access on specific date or after number of days or after number of hours or never. All depends on your security requirement. All depends on your requirement, how you want to select this. Users can request specific timeline. If enabled, this allows users to say how long they need access, such as just for 30 days instead of the full 365 days. It is very useful for temporary project roles or contractors. Access review setting is currently set to no. Means no periodic access reviews will happen. That means once access is granted, it stays until it expires or it is manually revoked. Turn this on if you want to ensure access is still needed, especially for sensitive resources. It will let managers or reviewers recertify access periodically. Custom extensions can be added only when we have Entra ID governance license. Because we do not have it, we cannot add or do anything here. Now click on Review plus Create. Now summary page appears as shown. Review everything as you selected and click Create. Access package is created as shown. Just click on the access package itself. You can see the My Access portal link for this package that you can socialize within your organization. This link will be unique for each package that you create. This is the link that you can also use to integrate with ticketing systems such as ServiceNow, so that the user can self-service based on organizational guidance and policies. That's all about the entitlement management in this video. I'm sure now you know how to package access permissions for groups, applications, and SharePoint sites.